Here at Kennesaw State University, we have a fairly new Bachelor of Science program in Learning Design and Technology. We also have a minor in the field. We're the only major and minor in the state of Georgia. Our classes are very hands-on, very project-based, where students are learning about the knowledge of what instructional design is, and then actually gaining some of the skills through some of the software that is the industry-based software. So things like the Adobe Creative Cloud, Articulate, Storyline, Articulate Rise, and then applying those in these project-based, very collaborative types of projects.
You can literally find instructional design position in every organization, from restaurant, college, universities, and any corporate hospital. In any field you can find training needs, which means you can also find instructional design positions there. So instructional design positions is often interdisciplinary, which means you don't have to give up one idea over another. Let's say you are interested in like a music industry and you are also interested in marketing, right? Then you get to choose the instructional design position to teach music industry employees about the marketing of their product or the artist. So in this case, you can pursue whichever different interests you have in one position.
Instructional design definitely jumped out at me as something that I thought would not only be just interesting from a learning perspective, but also its well-roundedness and its broad net that it casts out in terms of what you can use with the skills you get is something that I really valued. One of the classes, you have a chance to kind of network with somebody outside the field and kind of get insight on what the learning design and technology field really is on the outside. Specifically me, like I interviewed somebody with Cinnabon, and that was really cool because you just don't think that might, this field might not translate to that kind of area of work, but it did. And I think having the faculty have that kind of network and be able to bring those kind of people in to allow you to flex the skills that you have in this program is definitely a big benefit.
I found myself working in the education department at my workplace, and I saw a position for an instructional designer, and so the needs assessment and needs analysis class, I took that back to my team, and ever since then we have been brought in earlier on projects, so everything I'm learning, I'm able to bring it over to the group and say, hey, let me teach you guys about learning theories, behaviorism, cognitivism, and all of that stuff. So I'm helping teach them, which is priceless. Like, you guys are reaching beyond just me. You're reaching out to my team, and it's affecting our company as a whole.
So a lot of what we do in our program is heavily focused on working with practitioners in the field, and we're taking advantage of the fact that we're in the metro Atlanta area. So there's a lot of different companies that are here that we're interacting with, anywhere from interviewing practitioners to setting students up with a summer internship to working on a capstone project with practitioners in the field. So there's a lot of opportunities for students to get to know other practitioners and develop professional development that they need to have in order to become an instructional designer.
So relating to the internship, I think the best part of the LDT major is that you're able to take what you're learning in class and directly apply it into these roles in the workforce. I think it's really valuable when you're deciding on what major you want, because you get to see what the job actually entails when you're actually working in it. That gives you enough confidence for after you graduate and you really understand what kind of job you actually want.
So we also have an LDT student organization here that is led by some of our students in the program. It's just an opportunity for our students to get to know one another, build up their own professional networks within their classmates, and to be able to get more hands-on experience.
My vision for the student organization is to kind of cultivate a sense of community for the learning design and technology students, and also to build and refine the skills that we're already gaining right now to prepare us for the world of being instructional designers or an instructional design related field. I really want to be able to do a lot of workshops and collaborative activities, doing things like having guest speakers, going to conventions, collaborating with other clubs within KSU KSU, I think would be really fun for the organization.
So this is a great opportunity for students who may be interested in design and business and communication. We have faculty who have actually been practitioners in the field too. So a lot of the experiences that we have, we're bringing back into the classroom for students to be able to see kind of what those experiences are like day to day. So come join us at Kennesaw State University in our Learning Design and Technology program.